my dear children. Once again, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 6, Subject Hindi, Lesson 2, Topic Sher or Chuha. Children, we have already gone through the chapter and now we are going to see the question answers for the chapter. The book back exercises all we will cover here. So first one you can see here, it's here word meanings. All the word meanings are given here for you at one place. Just go through it. This will be your first Roman. Second Roman, children, it's the question answers for the lesson. We'll go through each and every question answers. We'll start with the first one. शेर कहाँ सो रहा था? Where was the lion sleeping? The question is, where was the lion sleeping? शेर कहाँ सो रहा था? The answer is, शेर एक पेड़ के नीचे सो रहा था. The lion was sleeping under a tree. The answer is, the lion is sleeping under a tree. शेर एक पेड़ के नीचे सो रहा था. Second question, शेर की नींद क्यों खुल गई? The second question is, why did the lion wake up from the sleep? The question is, शेर की नींद क्यों खुल गई? Answer, चूहे के उसके पीठ पर चढ़ने से शेर की नींद खुल गई. Answer is, the lion wake up because the rat ran on his back. Due to the rat running on the back of the lion, he woke up from his sleep. This is the answer, children. Once again, I'll repeat. चूहे के उसके पीठ पर चढ़ने से शेर की नींद खुल गई. Third question, शेर ने चूहे को क्यों छोड़ दिया? The question is, why did the lion left the rat without giving punishment? शेर ने चूहे को क्यों छोड़ दिया? The answer is, शेर ने चूहे को छोड़ दिया क्योंकि उसको चूहे पर दया आ गई. The lion left the rat because he felt mercy on him. Because the lion felt mercy on the rat, he left the rat without giving punishment. I'll repeat the answer. शेर ने चूहे को छोड़ दिया क्योंकि उसको चूहे पर दया आ गई. Fourth question, children. शेर क्यों दहाड़ रहा था? Why was the lion roaring? शेर क्यों दहाड़ रहा था? And the answer is, क्योंकि शेर जाल को कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा था. Because he was not able to come out of the trap. The lion was roaring because he was not able to come out of the trap. क्योंकि शेर जाल को कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा था. Next question, fifth one. चूहे ने शेर की सहायता किस प्रकार की? How did the rat help the lion? How did the rat help the lion which was in the trap? चूहे ने शेर की सहायता किस प्रकार की? And the answer is, चूहे ने शेर की सहायता उसको जाल से बाहर निकालकर की। द रैट हेल्प्ड द लायन बाय गेटिंग हिम आउट ऑफ द ट्रैप। द रैट मेड द लायन टू कम आउट ऑफ द ट्रैप. दिस वॉज द हेल्प डन बाय लायन. I'll repeat the answer. चूहे ने शेर की सहायता उसको जाल से बाहर निकालकर की. So these were your 5 question answers, children. Now we'll move on to our third Roman, that is fill in the blanks. The answer is given in red color with the underline. Just go through it. I'll read each and every fill in the blanks now. First one, शेर एक पेड़ के नीचे सो रहा था. Second one, उसे भूख लगी थी. Third one, शेर की नींद खुल गई. Fourth one, शेर को चूहे पर दया आ गई. Fifth one, चूहे ने शेर की आवाज सुनी. So this was all for your second chapter, children. Just go through the assessment and learn everything. Thank you, children.